Clarke Energy is a multinational specialist in distributed power generation technology. Our scope ranges from the supply of a gas or diesel fuel power generation engine through to turnkey installation of a multi-engine power plant. Clarke Energy is the largest authorized distributor and service provider for GE's reciprocating gas engines. We are now operational in over 17 countries across the globe, including Bangladesh. The business has a strong focus on after-sales support, developing in-country resources to service and maintain our facilities, along with original equipment manufacturer-approved spare parts. Our aim is to provide high-quality products and installations supported by a reliable, accountable, and localized after-sales service. Integrity is a core company value, and Clarke Energy operates to the highest international standards of compliance.
Clarke Energy started its operations in Bangladesh from 1st of August 2013 as the distributor of GE Yanbakar. We have more than 1,000 megawatts as the installed base in the country, spread over 500 engines and more than 200 customers. With our competent service team, we offer 24/7 service to our customers. We bring in a lot of value addition to the customer by offering long-term spare parts supply contracts and also service agreements, which helps customer in bringing down his operational cost and increasing the uptime of his plant.
We have a product portfolio of gas engines ranging from 0.33 megawatt to 9.5 megawatt. Our facilities deliver high fuel efficiencies and help reduce carbon footprint. Typical applications of the engines include combined heat and power with natural gas, biogas, landfill gas, coal gas, steel industry off-gases, and synthetic gas.
The GE engine is low fuel cost, spare parts lifetime is very long, and here service provide Clarke Energy. They are already 16 countries provide their service and sales. This was the exact combination that we are looking for.
Clarke Energy has recently become the first sales and service provider for GE Yanbakar's newly added diesel engines. Additionally, we are also the authorized service provider of Toyo Denki high voltage alternators. These alternators are coupled with GE's new 6 series engines.
We were sourcing for a company who can help us on our extension on a 1 megawatt gas generator, and they were complete profile they made for us, where they have the exhaust system, the engineering, the installation, and the piping diagram. So it was a lot easy for me to just sit down and have a company who can take care of my headaches. I am sure that my next venture will be with Clarke Energy.
Clarke Energy has made significant investment in Bangladesh, including established service setup in Ashulia, which comprises of parts warehouse, workshop, and service center. Other regional service offices are located at Chittagong, Norsingdi, and Molvi Bazar. We plan to establish new offices in Mauna Gazipur and Kachpur Naranganj area very soon to improve service availability to our valuable customers. We have competent, original equipment manufacturer trained and certified service staff, equipped with all the required service tools and accessories. We also have dedicated commissioning team which has passed GE approved training in Austria.
GE প্রতিনিধি last 2 years Clarke আমাদেরকে এই সার্ভিস প্রোভাইড করতেছে। Clarke আসার পরে আমরা 3টা ইঞ্জিন অর্ডার দিছি। I'm very happy, really very happy. প্রবলেম শুটিং এ তাদেরকে যখন যেভাবে আমার টিম তাদেরকে করছে, কোঅপারেশন এক্সিলেন্ট।
Clarke Energy's Bangladesh operations has backup support by GE Competence Center 24/7 for all kind of technical queries. Clarke Energy's Ashulia Service Center is also capable of remotely connecting to installed units wherever internet connection is available. Using GE's new remote monitoring software MyPlant, we can now diagnose engine parameters, analyze trends, take corrective actions before engine trips, and also predict remaining component lifetime in certain cases.
In the last 2 years, we worked with Clarke Energy, and we got prompt response and excellent service with much care by them in the recent days. I think they have a very good, strong, and sound technical team with a sufficient number of talented engineers. Recently, Clarke Energy introduced 24 hours, 7 days a week power plant service, which is a great comfort in the industrial sector nowadays in Bangladesh.
Clarke Energy's Bangladesh operations have invested heavily in developing an in-country OEM-approved spare parts supply. Having gathered number of years of experience in this field, we have appropriate levels of spares to meet customers' needs for scheduled and unscheduled maintenances. Our inventory is managed by customized software and competent and dedicated manpower. In case any part is not available locally, we have swift access to other overseas Clarke Energy warehouses in India, the UK, and other Clarke Energy operations globally. The combination of capable OEM-trained manpower, adequate level of inventory with genuine GE parts, and excellent reach on the operational units on ground help us offering high uptime and reliable performance of engines to our customers.
We have signed an agreement with Clarke Energy Bangladesh regarding the supply of spare parts for our existing Yanbecker generators. Under this agreement, they ensured us to supply all types of spares and they will take all the responsibility about delivery of the spares. For the customer, we are getting special advantages. Smoothness of the operation is ensured because every spares we are getting in time along with their service. And we are very satisfied with this agreement.
When engines reach around 60,000 operating hours, OEM recommends carrying out a major overhaul or replacement of short block. We have observed that exporting capital machinery out for replacement could be a very cumbersome task because of the highly controlled export procedure. Hence, we would like to offer our customers a facility of carrying out such overhauls in Bangladesh. Clarke Energy has developed a workshop facility capable of carrying out major overhauling on 2, 3, 4 and 6 series G engines operational in Bangladesh. This benefits our customers as it ensures minimum downtime during the essential service procedure. After UK, Bangladesh is the only country in the group to have such fully equipped workshop facility. This demonstrates our commitment to the customers in Bangladesh. Using this facility, now Clarke Energy will offer one-stop solution for minor and major overhaul of all type of GE engines and accessories like alternator, turbochargers and other product-specific items. In the middle bay of workshop, there is an overhead crane of 30-ton lifting capacity sufficient to lift the J624 engine, the largest in the 2 series to 6 series fleet. The workshop is equipped with Benko 25, a customized engine turnover machine specially made for turning GE's Yenbacher engines upright. This machine is used for cleaning and checking of crankshaft, working on main bearing, replacement of camshaft bearing, etc. After the arrival of engine in workshop, cylinder heads are separated from the main block and sent to the overhauling section, and rest of the block is sent to the turnover section for further dismantling. A conveyor line is set up to ensure easy movement of cylinder heads throughout the entire process. In the cylinder head overhauling section, all the accessories including valve seats are removed on the dismantling bench. Hydraulic presses are installed for valve guide removal and insertion, connecting rod overhauling and bush replacement. After complete assembly, all cylinder heads valve seats are tested for leakage, after which the cylinder heads are sent to paint shop. All cylinder heads after being painted are kept in storage for delivery or further assembly on block. Simultaneously, the engine is lifted with overhead crane exactly from the load center points with proper lifting tackles. Overhead crane is moved slowly to put the engine on turnover machine. The crane has special swing control technology which keeps the load stable during crane movement. The engine is put on turnover and clamped securely with special clamping brackets. Various combinations of brackets facilitate clamping all the engines from 2 series up to 6 series on the same machine. After clamping the block securely, the team works on top of the engine using stands and platforms. For working underneath, turnover machine turns the engine upside down so that the team can work easily on the components inside the engine. Engine block, along with all oil channels and grooves, is properly cleaned by pressurized air and cleaning agent. All seat areas are cleaned with specialized grinders and cleaning agents. With the help of the overhead crane, the crankshaft can be lifted and put aside on special stands.
Clarke Energy has all the recommended special tools imported from GE required to carry out the major overhaul of all GE engines. Some special hydraulic tools required to work on the cylinder head and the flywheel hub of Series 6 engines. The time required to carry out the major overhaul in the workshop is less than half of the time required to carry out the similar major overhaul on site. Additionally, while working on site wherein the whole engine is open, cleanliness is the most pressing concern. Also, while working on site, additionally temporary arrangements are required for engine turning, lifting, shifting and handling the crankshaft. On the other hand, workshop has all the facilities to carry out the major overhaul efficiently and safely.
For Clarke Energy, the highest level of customer service is a key to sustainable business. Satisfied customers having equipment with high availability ensures healthy and long-term relations, thereby adding to the company's reputation. Clarke Energy is committed to deliver on these promises to all our existing and prospective customers, today, tomorrow, and long into the future.
This dedication to quality and service across the globe has led them to win in 2014 the highly prestigious Queen's Award for International Trade. I hope that Clarke Energy can build upon the success of this project and contribute further to the growth and development of Bangladesh in the future and the long and deep partnership Bangladesh enjoys with the United Kingdom.
Export, installation and commission is very easy, but post-sale service is very difficult, which is usually we do not find in different imported companies. But in the delivery of species of the users in the documentary, everybody expressed their satisfaction of their good maintenance and post-sale service of the Clarke Energy.
Our customers here in Bangladesh, many of them were doubtful that we could follow through on some of the things that we promised and discussed when we started here. And we are working through all the things that we discussed at that time. We have done that by investing in this facility, by investing in spare parts, which we have on site here and we back up from the UK and around the world. And we have also done that importantly by investing in the quality of our people here in Bangladesh. I'm very proud of the job that Anand Bishikar has done here with the Bangladeshi team.
Thank you.